Me there I represent for Mr. Indemand TV. You know, a real TV. Yes, a straight TV. It's not a lean TV. Yeah, it a go bust the place big. Me actually say that I'm out.
Yes, my people. I'm Mr. Indemand from the Indemand Show. And today me hungry. Belly a work for me, so see me with no makeup on. But anyway, we have some liver today. We are cook. We have some fish head with a lime water, and these are the spice and the ingredients. We have some Kool-Aid. When we are gonna make Kool-Aid and I got it! Fried plantains. So today is a Sunday, Monday day. So the food we left from Sunday, we are gonna work it today with this. So take we in and watch what I go on. Check out the kettle. Check out the kettle. You know? And that's the thing about put it back on me. Cause you don't know, you know. So Mr. Indemand there. Like, share, subscribe. Welcome to the Indemand Show. So I have a season now. So come close, let me show them how I go on. High grade. So how me season my food is, me put a little bit of everything on it. Just a little tip of everything. So the liver, see there? Take time. Just use your own discretion. Use your own discretion. You don't have to put too much. Just put as much as you think you can handle. So, video personnel, put the camera upon me. That me I say. So, as I say, put some of this. Bam. Bam. You see that? Browning. Grace. Don't think because we are fire when I use Jamaican product. No. I will think so. We're going to put some browning on it to catch color. So we are going to put a little bit of browning on it. Salt him out properly. You see me? Alright. Now, bam. We are going to put some black pepper. Put some black pepper on it, guys. This are the Indemand kitchen, you know. This are Mr. Indemand, you know, in the kitchen, you know. So, no. See it? Mr. Indemand in the kitchen, I whip up. So, check out the kettle. Check out the kettle. Yo, that kettle is so good. And you think of that alone, I'll show you something else, because Mr. Indemand, well technology. Check out my salt. Come with me, salt. Don't play with Mr. Indemand. Don't play with him, so we are going to season up this thing, yeah. Honestly, put a little bit of everything. So we are going to show you step by step how we prepare liver, steamed fish head. Right now, I put it in water with lime, make it go marinate. So we have some leftover rice and peas, some boiled cassava, and some boiled dumpling. So we are seasoning up that something here. You see me I say? So we are put some garlic on it and garlic it out. So bam bam bam. Yeah. I don't know if you can know we're in a movie. Show them the movie theater. We're in a full story. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And for all of my people, the highest grade. You don't need the highest grade on a cook. You don't need it. Okay. Let me light up there. Yeah, we don't want on a regular day, just cook and enjoy ourselves, you know, and just meat seasoning. Bam. See that? I open and look. So what I do now, I always use a spoon. I get a spoon And then I just mix it around. Mix it around. Mix it around. Look like it could have taken some more browning. So now I put a little bit of more browning on it to make it catch that good color, because you don't want it white and you don't want it too dark. You see me? I say you just want it right. So you're going to do all of this now to catch it right. You see me? Bam. Now you're going to stir it around some more. See this how it look when it stir around. Alright, this is good for that. The fish now, make that go and marinate a little bit. Make the season go and soak in that a little bit. The fish now, you're going to throw off the water. You see me? And we are going to do the fish similarly, because the fish, you know, wash it off good. Wash it off good again. Because as I say, I put in a lime water, lime juice, make it go and soak. So now, wash it off, drain off all of the water, and then we put some seasoning on it. For all of me Jamaican in America and they are Jamaica, I don't know what this is. Yeah, I did this. See it? So we're going to season this. So we're going to put some fish seasoning upon it. We're going to put some garlic on it. Of course, I'll put some salt on it. Oh my God. Don't it just do something to you? Oh my God. So, enough of that. Alright, see it there again. You see me? So, and that I go on pan water go on over here, so. We do what we want to. We do what we want over here, so black pepper. Right, put some of this, you need this in your food. It make the food taste good. You need to give me a promotional deal. You see me? Tony, you need to contact Mr. Indemand, because we are promoting your product for you. But anyway, besides that the point, we have put some pepper in there. You see me? Real Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper. So different spoon. Never use the same spoon in two different meat, because it will contaminate the meat. So you try to use different spoon for different meat, or fork, or whatever you need to use. So never use the same for two meat. So we're going to put a piece of pepper in there. Pepper. Okay. Alright. Pimento seed. We need pimento seed. You see me? So, put some pimento seed in both of them. Because I never put a pimento seed in this, so I put some in that. Put some in the fish. Okay. Now I'm on my way to greatness. So, still I put a little more powder season, because I never get to put in this on it. So, the fish. You see what I'm saying? So this is the fish. So I put fish sauce on it. You see that? Grace, you need to cut with a deal. Okay. So I put fish sauce on it. Sauce him down. Oh, you see, don't worry about that. I say it go, but we sauce him down. Sauce, you see it? See that? I want to understand, I'm in the kitchen, so mess I go make. Don't worry about that. When you not cook, don't worry about making mess, because it's a kitchen. So them things that happen in the kitchen when you're cooking, mess have to make. Already you just clean up behind yourself, but you have to make some mess. So we are seasoning this right here, so to sort out. You see me, I say so. Boom, bang, 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 bang. A bunch of things are going on right here, so man. So we're going to show you when you're ready to cook the food. Oh, see it? Me I cook. Table done, set already. See where I go on, table set. So you don't know, you're not invited to Mr. Indemand place. You see what I say? So, table set, food a cook. Come and show you what I go on. Come and take a joke. 2 pot the pan stove. We have oil in our buckle ready. You know what I say? And show you the meat then because, watch out now. Fish, come let me see what I go on. Fish pretty. You see that? Fish ready. Kidney ready. You see what I say? So, we are work power go on right here, so. So we are going to put some oil in our pot. Not too much still in our but kind of put some oil in our pot so it not stick. You see what I say? So this is for the kidney and this is for the fish. So we put some in there. You see me? And we just there cook some food in and we just make a share to them because somebody inbox me and say, Mr. Indemand, how you look so fresh, how you look so wagwan, what you eat? So I just kind of show them my life, show them how me eat, what me eat, how me things stay. You see me I say? So, pot hot, thing done Caesar, and things done Caesar. So you don't know it's a Caesar. Hold on there, because you know. Get in the joint, me I wait for you. Get in the lighter, on a blunt or everything, because you don't know that show you is a... I show you. So fish are going in a pot. You see me? See how I go on, look how I go on. Fish are going in a pot. You see me? Alright, what we do now, we turn this down. See that? We turn it down to 4 and we cover it up. So this right is so good for now. You don't make it go and simmer down to gravy. This right is so now you work on same way. You see me? And you just go on same way. Same way you go on, see there? When I eat this with some rice and peas from yesterday, I'm going to make some boiled dumpling and 2 cassava and that's it. So Sunday, Monday, you know, the thing they work. So, my cameraman do a job. Big up yourself, cameraman. Because my cameraman do a good job. You know what I say? So subscribe and like and share. And I'm going to make you see when it's done, how it look. But right now, the thing catch on fire. Done. See food here? Fish head, cassava, liver, vegetable, and yesterday rice and peas because I'm hungry. So subscribe, like, share. Hope you was here. Wish you was here to enjoy this food with me, but since you're not here, I'm gonna enjoy. Peace, love, and more.